Hello everybody and welcome back to the How to Mod Bloons Tower Defense 6. Today we're going to be covering upgrades, so we should just get right into it. Okay, so first you just want to go back to, your mod, and, we'll make a new folder. We don't have to make a new folder, but I like to do it. And you can call it like upgrade. You can call it whatever you want. But as you can see, I already have my icon and my portrait for the upgrade. Basically, what we're going to do after we create the folder, or if you created the folder, you would go create a new class. The folder, create it in the, just right click on the folder, or select the folder, and then right click, and then class. You just, I want to call the class name of your upgrade. So this case should be example upgrade. Then we just do here. Remember, so the colon means connect. So you're like connecting a class. So new mod, but then we're going to do up, and then make sure you pick this one, because well, that one is confusing a little bit. But we're gonna do mod upgrade, and then here you want to put in your tower class, which in this case example monkey. Okay, then you see how here it's red again. Well, that you just want to implement the abstract class. Now here we have the path. Oh well, before we do that, we want to go here. So this one's gonna be for top path. So it's gonna be. See, I'm gonna make it for middle path because it's better when it's like that. Now, so you want to change that to 1. Then here, or whatever path you want this to be, you're gonna change that to 1. And then here, so we have the path tab, you put in top. If it's middle, you put in middle. Then if it's bottom, you put in bottom. Okay, I'm here and put a little comment. Okay. Now here is a tier. This is like what the tier of your upgrade. So it's like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5, tier 6. Well, we can't have T6. I don't think you can do that with towers. I mean, I'd be able to. I've tried, but we put that as 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 0. Okay. And here's the cost of the grade. So I'll make this 760. I mean 670. Yeah, 760. And then here, well, we can just go to our example monkey, and then just copy this. So this is it, and then I'm gonna leave that there. But now we can just do so we can increase the range just like last time. But the upgrade is pretty much just like this here. We say modify base. Your model here is just apply upgrade instead. So if I wanted to, I could just copy this, and well, it'll be this pretty similar. But this time, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. So if you look in here, we have a whole bunch of stuff like add behaviors. Basically, I'm gonna add a weapon. And basically, what we're gonna do for this, if you want to add a pre-existing weapon, which right now you probably should do, you want to do game, which then we just want to click off of it. Yeah, so just do game ext, and then you want to see where it says. You want to push the first one where it says using. Then you want to go do instance dot model. Then here you want to do get tower from ID, right? And then here, so if you want to get the projectile from, let's say, well, let's say you wanted the, 002 engineer monkeys. You do engineer monkey dash 002. And then if it's just 000, you want to move that there and just make it the name of the monkey. And then we want to do dot get weapon dot duplicate. So now here, And now I'm also gonna add an ability to this as well. So to add an ability, I'm gonna go do, you could do var ability equals new ability model. And I'll make sure using one that has model at the end, because otherwise, because ability, you can see how it's, how like it's in like, simulation and Unity. Yeah, an ability model. This is, you can see it has, just models. So you want to make sure it's model because this is the one that the game uses, and if you apply the regular one, then it'll give an error. Now here you can see where it says pointer. You don't want that, you want this one. So now the name of this, you want to be the name of your ability. This one is going to be rate support ability. Okay, wait. So the name, you actually want it to be lowercase. Well, starting with lowercase, so we can do. I'm not sure for this example. Let's be like that in the display name. Well, you can do whatever you want, really. Not monkey ability. Then here in the description, we're gonna have an example ability. And here for the animation, it's just like when you use the ability, like what animation does it use, or I guess how many frames of animation. Usually it's 0 for this. Animation offset you can put that 0 too. And the icon, so you can so if you have a custom icon for it, you would just do get sprite reference here with where you don't need the mod. Pretty sure, I don't think. But here you can get it, which for this, well, you need to do get sprite reference, but I'm gonna have this icon, which is this right here. If you want to change the icon to whatever, you kind of just want to change the icon to the name of your ability, with the icon for the ability, and then the cooldown is how long it takes to recharge. So, this is in seconds, I'm pretty sure. So I was gonna have 25. You don't need the app for that. I kind of like having that there. So here is the ability. So we're gonna get that for that later. So for now, we're gonna put it as null. Then activate on pre-leak. So this is what activates before it leaks. So like the ninja monkey ability. Well, this one is false if you don't want that. But then the activate on leak, we also want false too, and that's like the bomb shooter. And then this is the upgrade. I usually just leave this as null. And then in cooldown speed scale, I'm pretty sure this is just like the scale of the cooldown for it. You don't want to put that 0, because then it would just be instant. Life cost, how many lives it costs? So that'd be for like, Azili's sacrificial totem. Activation for round, you can have this be like 10, 99, or -1. That makes sure you can have, you can use it infinite amount of times. Or you can have as 9999999 if you want. And then reset cooldown to your upgrade. This is like when you upgrade the tower, does it reset the cooldown? Usually you want this to be false. When you activate on lives lost, this is like if you lose a life and it activates, so it's like elite, like the elite sniper, bottom path sniper. When you lose a life, it shoots 4 times faster. Usually you don't want that, so for now it's gonna be just false. Okay, so now here, so now if I save this, so right now we're gonna actually I'm gonna do some more things. So I'm not, because you can do any of the things you did here in here as well. And so if I build this, I have to restart the game. So we just wait for the load, which once again might be a lot faster for me than you on how many mods you have, or for computers better or worse. And we see here we have one upgrade, and you see right now there's no description for it. But we're gonna check later. As you can see, yeah, that background show doesn't work. That's a slightly concerning, but we have example upgrade here. As you can see right now, it shoots one projectile. When I do this, you can see it shoots two now. And why doesn't it have an upgrade? Well, that's because I messed up somewhere. That's the reality of it. Let's see, description, animation. There's an error in here somewhere? No, there's no error. Maybe let's do this, the fact that I like that. So maybe I need it to be just blank. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try that because that's the only version I can think. So now that I rebuilt it, let's see how it works now. Hopefully it appears. You can see the nod's still loading. You know, that's good. Usually there's no reason why that wouldn't pop up. Oh wait, I know why. Because I never even added it. Okay. Yeah, so now here, you can just do, you want to do tower model dot add behavior ability. Pretty important. I just pulled a Matsy. That's an inside joke. You probably won't know that, but no. That's something Matsy does all the time when he asks me for help, and it's like, did you add it? You're like, oh. Yeah, I just did it too. So now, yeah, there it is. Well, so now you can see it does nothing. This tank is an upgrade. So it does nothing. You can't use it. Why? Well, because I once again made a mistake. Why? What's my mistake? Good question. It may be actually the cooldown speed scale. Good. I don't know why. I don't know why it'd be anything else. Yeah. Okay. I'm see about having at one is bad. So you shouldn't really try any of this until you're done, because this is an important part of modding. You want to test everything before you go on and just say, oh yeah, it's done, because well, this could happen. I'm confident that should be working. You should test it. Just like what I did right now. So here we have the example key, and look at this. Yeah, look, there we go. Yeah, so put that at 0 on that one. But then when you press it, nothing happens. But I'm about to add that. Now here, this is where we can make it do things. So you see where it says model? That means you can put anything in there, but really, you don't want that. So you can, what you want is an IL2CPP, which means which is IL2C++. Then we want reference array. We want this one, and then in here we just want to put in model. Not model ext. I don't know why I just that. We can delete these though. Really useless. And then here we want, we can just have, well, it could be models, I guess. It doesn't really matter what you call it. Then you can do new for the size of it, which, well, you can just have it be 0. And then here you do models dot add to, and then you do new, and then you just want to type in model here. So you can see here's ability model. You want to ignore all these, right? But you can see there's an air unit model. You can have it so while this is ability activates, it can add an air unit. Basically, the one I'm gonna do is a turbo model. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. This is like the one. So as you can see, you want it to be an ability behavior. I'm pretty sure. Right, and then here we don't want the pointer because well that points it to there. Now we can call it turbo model underscore. Put underscore under it, and then the lifespan is how long it lasts. So the greatest the cooldown for the ability is 25 seconds, so I'm gonna have this be 10 seconds long. And multiplier, this is how much faster it shoots. So if we do 0.5, that makes it shoot twice as fast. And then the projectile display, you put as no. Then in the extra damage can make you more damage. It's in the name. Then this can make the projectile bigger. So if you put a 0, or I'll put a 0.25. And then don't remove mutator and destroy, which this gives it a mutator. I'm pretty sure I just want that as pretty sure that's true in most cases. I don't really know what the difference if that is false, but you should just put that's true. So now here we can put in models. And then so I'm gonna add another one, which this one gives it cache. We'll mix it. So we can do add 2 new cache. Right? I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, cache boost model. Which no, that makes sure they gets more cache. That's alright, it's called a it's called a loan one. Yeah, IMF loan model. So here we have the name of it, which would just be IMF loan model. The score, you can call it whatever you want. Now this is how much money it'll give you. I'll make it give you $100. The income recovery rate, this is how fast, this is like how much of your money it takes. I'll put this as 0, I guess. The asset ID is the, well, I actually don't really know what this is for. If you can just leave it as null in the lifespan, for how long it lasts, I don't know. I just give it a 0 for now. So now if I build, I can just reload the game. And oh, there's an error. Let's see what it is. Oh right. So you can't have the. It's just put in new and. Well, and that's all you need. I forgot you can't put null in prefab references. It should just be new and just leave it blank because, well, otherwise it doesn't really work too well. You can do new prefab reference if it makes them more readable. We have that. New is faster. So you want to write down the prefab reference or whatever you're trying to get a new thing of. Our monkey loads. Like here we have the upgrade. If I press 1, it gives me no cache. And that's interesting. But it should. I'm just gonna probably like everybody this. You can see how she's faster than already. Our ability is working. I'm gonna go here and fix that. And build it. Let's say you got a different ability or different upgrade. You can change, find out like a new mod or new behavior to it. You can just do like tower model to get ability. There's only one ability, it doesn't really matter, but you leave that blank in the parentheses. So it means no money. I don't really care. Just if you want to give money, then you can ask me to tell you in the comments. I got Benjamin. Pretty cool. If you're wondering, I do not buy hero skins because I think they're a waste of money. But they're pretty cool, like this little Eddie skin. But that's because I need. Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, I'll be able to upgrade more things. So we'll find more than just this. So just copy this here. So more range, low tag, it's faster, and more pierce, and for more damage. You know, just make sure it works. Pretty important that it works. To be fair. I don't know where Benjamin, to be honest, but yeah, the upgrade works, and it's just okay for DDT though, because DDT come out. That's scary. As you can see, this is pretty good power. You might not want the upgrade to be like that. I'm sure this thing could solo BAD without ability. Well, if this thing is pretty much 10%. She goes fast, super monkey, and does more damage than the ability, which is cool, nice, and wonderful. Remember me the solo BAD. You might be able to. Here's rank. Accuracy correction of the global. I guess that'll be it for this video. I hope this has helped you. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, set the notifications to all so you get notified when I upload my next video, and see y'all next time. Goodbye.